Hello everyone, good to see you here. I am Vinod, an astrology and Vastu advisor based out of Bangalore. And 2022 yearly predictions as per moon sign for zodiac sign Sagittarius. Um, let's see what results you're going to get this year as per astrological predictions. And guys, if you like my content, please like this video to appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I will share more videos like this in future. Okay, moving on to analysis. So Sagittarius, 2021 has not been a great year in terms of your cash and liquidity position. Saturn has transited through your second house from past 2.5 years. So from past 2 years, you have had the toughest situations to face without enough liquidity position, and on and off money might have trickled, but it has not stayed with you. Jupiter in 2021 transited to your third house. He brought the entire family together. Your siblings have become close. So this year, after April, when Saturn moves to the fourth house, when Saturn moves to his third house from your natal moon, number one, Saturn is going to give you a lot of courage in this. Third house is the house of courage and bravery. And he's also going to make you take initiatives. Technical jobs and technical related initiatives shall happen this year, in the year 2022. Jupiter is going to move to your fourth house. So somewhere guys, from fourth house, when Jupiter is aspecting your 10th house, somewhere job opportunities are going to come, good job opportunities, but still you're not going to be out of your financial complications completely. Good job opportunities will come, but it would not be matching the salary offer that you're going to get will not be matching with the offer that you get. Go ahead, accept the offer and wait for your time. Jupiter, when he moves in 2023 to your fifth house, that is the time when you're going to benefit in terms of salary. That is with regards to career. And guys, definitely 2022 is a year of your job change. A lot of people with the zodiac Sagittarius are going to change your jobs. That is about your career. Businessman, this year, most of the dream projects that you were dreaming of, you have been planning since past 2.5 years. You are going to get opportunities to materialize these dreams. You have to take initiative and start these projects. Somewhere business is going to go well in 2022. 2022 is not going to be as bad as 20 and 21. See, 20 and 21 was bad because Jupiter was debilitated and Saturn and Ketu were conjuncting Jupiter. But in 2022, Jupiter is going to become much more powerful. He's going to become comfortable. Saturn is going to become comfortable in Aquarius, and Jupiter is going to become comfortable in Meena Rashi. Whatever news that is happening about another virus breakout, guys, don't break your head about this. This is the time when you are going to benefit, and I want you to take initiative and do your best. Business guys have to invest in your marketing and advertisement, because good business is definitely going to come. Health wise, so Sagittarius guys, health wise, in past you might have gone through complications related to your neck pain, your thyroid, and something related to ENT. This problem might have gone, you might have gone through this problem for past 2.5 years. All those problems are going to vanish this year. In terms of health, people who have suffered the highest, the respiratory problems that they have suffered, when Jupiter moves to your fourth house, you're going to see complete recovery from whatever complications you're going through. This is for 2022. One problem that you'll have to be careful is, number one, ankle pain, and number two, digestion problems or stomach infection. So if anybody has developed any kind of stomach problems, can be a hernia, can be gallbladder stones, can be lack of probiotic bacteria, you guys are heading towards a straight major complication. So guys, if any problem happens like that, immediately consult a doctor and don't wait for problems to worsen. That's about health. In terms of relationship, I don't see any major complications that might have happened in the past. You might have seen some enemies in your workplace or in your business. More than enemies, I would say competitors. And this year, these competitors are going to vanish. you're going to become much more comfortable on job, much more your business will go the way you have planned. So this year is great for business, is great for finances. It's also good for relationship. There are two complications that I see in terms of relationship. Number one, parents are going to be unhappy with their kids' performance. Rahu is transiting to your fifth house. Number two, Saturn transiting to your third house and aspecting your ninth. Somewhere there might be misunderstandings and fights with your siblings, and some misunderstanding with your father. So be very cautious about your be very cautious about argumenting and debating with your family members. Finally, assets. Guys, this is a good year. Even though you don't have money in hand, you're going to get good opportunities to invest in asset and car. This is a good year to invest in a car. You are going to get good deals. So I would say go ahead and exchange your car. Houses. So people who are struggling from long time to construct your house, people who have land, this year you are going to get all the opportunities in terms of financial help, banks help, and family help, especially the help from your mother and maternal relatives. So guys, overall this year is better than previous year in terms of finances and in terms of job. So that was my analysis, guys. Now I have made a PDF document of my predictions for all 12 zodiacs. If you want a copy of it, please send me an email to consultation.vinod@gmail.com. Write as 2022 predictions in the subject line and I will reply back with the document, guys. Thank you so much, guys. See you again.